So guys, we're on the airport already. And we're just gonna check in our 20 kilo luggage. Si Heart.
So busy naman ang aming manager. Hi sister. How are you? Hi rich tita.
Bini.
Bini. Bini Maoy. Kinakabahan ka sa immigration, babe.
Ano interview dun? Anong breakfast mo today? Hey guys, so we just dropped our luggage and kinakabahan daw yung mga kasama ko sa immigration. May immigration ba to? Domestic lang naman to. May immigration pa ba? Yung isa kinakabahan sa immigration, yung isa kinakabahan sa take-off. So yeah, see you inside. Hi guys! We're already here in Cebu. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kasi umuulan. And we're here in CNT Lechon Ngani! We're here in CNT Lechon. It's currently 8:30 a.m. and then yung flight namin to Siargao ay 2 p.m. So, kakain lang kami and then yung SM ay nasa harap and then after this we're going to SM. Yeah. Lechon! Let's eat lechon. So we have here guys, puso, and we have lechon and the famous chicharon bulaklak balls. Let's taste this. Good.
Gusto mo ikaw sa gitna? Awala ko sweldo dito.
So we had a little bit of problem kasi this is not the original na room na binook namin, but we're lucky because there's a free room. And it's nice because we have to get a private kitchen. So ano masasabi niya guys? We're here in Siargao. What's your first impression here in Siargao?
Ano pong wifi?
Ay well, wifi agad ang tanong ni Bakla. So this is our villa. We have here parang lounge. Pwede mag-chill, inom-inom, ganarn. And then here, meron tayong kitchen. We have a stove here, may mga lutuan, and sink of course. And may ref. So, sakto yung grocery namin. So, kinat lang kami ng pure gold. Bawal daw mag-video. So, yeah. This is the villa. You have to remove your shoes when you enter. Okay, so we have here like a queen-size bed. Papansin siya. And meron ditong double deck. Okay, so then just tell us whenever you have news, great news. Thank you so much.
I mean, we would...
Kind of, but we're gonna continue the room tour. Actually, there's nothing more to show. We just have here the toilet. It's nice. It's very Siargao vibes. Open siya doon. And then, it's us. So, story time. Kaya pala hindi tayo wini-welcome pagdating, be. Kasi they weren't expecting any guests anymore. Diba? Hey everyone! Good morning! So, today is March before it's 7:31 a.m. and we woke up around 5 a.m., 5:30-ish kasi nakatulog kami ng maaga kagabi after all the hassle. And today we have a tour. Mag-island hopping kami. Nag-aayos pa sila ate. And then yung call time namin is 8 a.m. And we're going to 4 islands today. So yeah, we're very, very, very excited. And yeah, this is the outfit. Just wearing a one piece na brown and white shorts. And yeah, let's go. We're already here in the bangka. Ang arte nung in the bangka. We're going to Corregidor Island. That's gonna take us maybe around 30 to 40 minutes going there. And then after that, we're going to Naked, Daku, and Kuyang. So say hi everyone. Hi! So I don't know if you can hear us kasi sobrang ingay ng motor, but yeah, let's go! Picture! Hi. We're here in Corregidor Island and we're gonna hike going to the mountains. Tingnan mo, may nagkakayak sa bag. Ikaw muna mag-
Covering my ears.
Ako kumbaga sisemi sa taas, video,
Say hi guys! Hi! Kasama po namin si Kuya. Ano pong pangalan niyo Kuya?
Bernie po.
Kuya Bernie. So mag-hike kami ng 30 minutes Kuya?
Depende sa'yo.
Depende sa lakad. Kung
Ay, takbo na tayo! Dito po may nagpapakasal dito?
Dito yung
Ay, totoo po?
Dito yung mula dun yung island mo.
Ay, wow!
tapos sa taas, andun sa taas yung kasalan.
Wala na ba mo si Kuya? Pawalitin yung trabaho.
Kailan mo na si Mela?
Andun sa taas, maganda magpadulong.
Wala yung pagka-estate.
We're going up the stairs para makapunta sa tuktok ng bundok. Hiking pala siya, be. Pero masaya kasi maganda super yung view and hindi super mainit today. Kaya perfect. But look at this beauty, guys. Look at this. Oh my days. Sis, ano na? Kaya pa? It's so beautiful, as in beautiful. First time ko dito sa Corregidor. Wow! We're almost here. Hi guys, we're just having some buko here. Kakagaling lang namin sa taas and nagre-rest kami and having some buko juice. After this, we're gonna eat dun sa ano namin, cottage namin. We availed their service with boodle fight. Yeah. Ang sarap na.
Kami, magkaganong kami. Fight tayo.
Paano yung fight?
Fight tayo. Grabe naman yung bird.
Ay.
Kangalay na ako, pwede na patayin. Kangalay na
Patayin mo na.
Makasil na ako, untog ko kayo dito.
May nakita kaming swing dito na may coconut. Coconut to, di ba? May coconut tree. So, we're just taking pictures and then after this, we're gonna eat our lunch. It's 11:41 a.m. and it's lunchtime. So, we're gonna eat boodle fight. Mag-aaway-away kami. So, we have here the famous Siargao boodle fight. We have a lot of food, guys. Look! We have fish, we have pancit, we have longganisa, we have meat and fruits, and sabaw.
Yummy. Perfect kaayo. Nahapon lang ganito? Magtamis?
Ibalot mo yung
Ate, kain naman yung niya. Uy, sige na tayo dyan. Ay, apat lang yung pinya. Sige silang tayo.
Sinabi mo ba hanggang?
Hindi ayan yung buntot ko nandiyan.
Dito.
Oo, ayan oo. Ay, putol. Maasim? Sarap! Sarap! Maasim? Hindi. Masarap.
Oy.
Hindi ko lang kung anong letter ako. Uy! Uy, ako niyang Pwede, balik na lang kami dito.
Pwede take out yan. Wag mong gagawin.
Pasok! Ano pa kapit? Hindi ako lang kapit. Very good!
We're here in Guyam Island. We have mango shakes and enjoying the beauty of the island. We have ordered juicy fries and mango juice. Hi guys, we're here in Kanin Baboy. The best lechon sinigang I've ever tried. It's 6:56 p.m. and we're having dinner. Ang dami naming ginawa kanina after. Hindi ko alam saan yung last vlog. Sa ano no, Guyam. Nung nag-jamming. After namin
Kaya pala ano ka, para kang ano.
daku, nag-naked kami and super umuulan na hindi na kami nagdala ng cellphone. So we just enjoyed the Island. Kami lang yung tao doon, kaya super, super saya. Tapos noon, nagpunta kami ng ng Daku. Tapos nagguyam kami. Sa Guyam kami nagstay ng mas mahaba.
Anong pinaka-favorite?
My favorite island is Guyam.
Ako secret.
Ikaw?
Ikaw?
Secret island guys. Kasi hinahanap ko pa. Nasaan? Secret daw.
Ikaw. Ano favorite island mo?
Ako, Corregidor.
Corregidor. Kasi?
I like Batanes.
Perfect. Ikaw.
Secret din ako.
Secret din? Bakit?
Wala lang. Secret lang.
Mema lang.
Secret din.
Ikaw, ano favorite island mo?
Corregidor.
Kasi
Maganda.
maganda ka kaya.
Mas maganda ko. So, as I was saying, sa Naked, tumakbo kami doon ng Naked chart. Tumakbo kami doon. Kasi walang tao. And umuulan, so wala kaming dalang kahit anong cellphone. We have here plenty of orders. We have kaning baboy original kemeruts. We have torta. We have my favorite sinigang na lechon and lechon kawali. Kulang pa yung lechon sisig.
Dapat mga collection na.
Ang dami.
Sarap.
Mama. Wow! Thank you! Bango! Let's try their lechon sisig.
Kainin nyo din yung gulay
May gulay. We're getting some bracelets and anklets.
What's the cutable? Itong purple na karaoke. Ate, magkano po dito?
Segure.
Umaya pa ako mag-ship, sir. Alas 11.
We are here in Siargao Beach Club
Signal ako.
and we're gonna drink drinkable. 8:30 pa lang and then yung DJ daw starts mga 9 and then 10 PM may fire party and then 11 may foam party. So,
Hindi ako marunong.
Drop your glasses and shake your asses. I wanna get with.
good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Super late na mag-vlog, 3:54 na. We're just gonna start our day now. Outfit check. Super nalasing kami kagabi. No more details, basta nalasing kami.
What happens in Siargao?
What happens in Siargao stays in Siargao. Hey guys, we're here in Kanaway Snack Bar.
What's Kanaway?
Hindi ko alam, tatanungin natin sa ata anong ibig sabihin ng Kanaway. Kaya magka-coffee muna kami. Kasi ilang araw na kami hindi nagka-kape mga babes.
Let's just search.
Paapaa lang po dito guys. So dito kami tumambay sa may beachfront. So we got coffee kasi sabi ko kanina ilang araw na kami hindi nagkakape. So yeah. We got our coffees. I have caramel macchiato with oat milk.
Si Lilo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Kape. Kagabi guys, super nalasing kami ni Ate Angel. Apir-apir pa kami. Inom, sige. Inom, bottoms up. Na bottoms up din kami sa sa CR. Paramihan kami ng suka. My God.
Grabe, isang kaldero yung sa'yo.
Hoy, kabe. Hindi naman isang kaldero yun. Isang balde lang. So we're now going to Katangnan Bridge to have some street foods.
Lunch.
Yun yung lunch dinner namin. Sobrang ingay
Wala
vibes.
5.
Yes, habol.
Offer late.
Kasi ano kami, as in kain tulog kanina. Tapos nag-swimming. Kasi mga bangag ang person. Gusto ko mga 10 isa.
Ay, ako oo eh. Ano ko isaw?
Ilan?
Isa lang. Isa lang. Ang OA naman.
Or ito muna. Hotdog. Hey guys, we are gonna eat some isawabol. Isawabol. Let's eat isaw. Let's go. Suko-suka. Uy!
Wait, vegetarian ka babe.
We're gonna eat dinner. We bought chicken, inasal, and some more barbecue sa Katangnan Barbecue. So, yeah. Hoy, yung kanin, pang taong bayan.
Lahat na isa. Hindi masarap.
Lasang isaw.
Ang sarap nito. Mahal ito.
No?
Busing yun na.
May isaw ng baboy. Pati.
Dapat nag-whisper lang.
Ang baho dyan! Hindi talaga wala wig. Oh,
Kailan ba kayo uwi? Friday?
ay, pinapuwi mo na kami.
Gusto ko na kayo pauwi.
Talaga? Si Granny dito.
Chismosa ka talaga.
I know, you're right, but I often wonder, like, how do you get them?
I would really use music every time.
Ay, huwag ganyan, babe. Nakagod ako.
I can tell that.
Exercise na namin to kasi.
Di close na, be.
Ay, ako hindi pa naman sarado yung pool. Sarado mo muna to. Sige.
Hindi mo nang patay na ilaw.
Ako na magpapatay.
Ay, mapatay mamaya.
Sabi, balik naman, swimming muna tayo. Di ba ano na naman na?
Hey guys, it's day, I don't know what day na namin dito sa Siargao. Day 3, day 4. Di ko alam. Basta it's March 6, it's 10:10 a.m. and we're going to Cloud9. We rented a motorcycles. It cost us 400 euros per motor kasi per motor, arte. Kasi one day lang namin siya gagamitin since tomorrow we have a tour. So hindi namin magagamit yung motor kaya ngayon lang namin siya i-rent. So fit check. Magmamotor yung bunso namin kasi ang tagal niya nang sinasabing gusto niya magmotor and napagbigyan na siya finally. So, let's go abol! Let's go abol! Say hi! Pogi! Pogi! We're in Cloud9 abol. We're gonna try their bestseller na ube taho and yung original. Harap. Mama. Nope. So we had a quick dip and then nagbilad kami sa araw. And we're going to Shaka Cafe to try their smoothie bowls. So we're here in Shaka, guys. Umorder lang kami ng nachos and gusto kong itry yung acai bowl nila. And yes, we're gonna eat kasi gutom kami. Tubig yan. Yung laman niya ay beans, bell pepper, carrots, may lettuce. Hindi mo bet? Hindi siya yung asay na nakilala ko. Kayo guys. Picture na lang sumo para sa bayan. Kanya-kanyang kuha. Yung ulam.
How's the food?
Ay! Vlogger!
How's the food, guys? Yarm. How's the food? Hindi masarap. Hindi masarap? Ito ang masarap, guys. Wala siyang gana. So. Hindi mo bet yung eggplant? Ito.
We're here in Isla Turon.
Ate! Doon talaga siya.
Kuya, may turon na turon lang. Walang anything. Ah. Wala na regular. Kaka-open mo kuya, to sold out na kayo. Ito-take out namin yung turon kasi lalagyan niya daw ng Bear Brand. May expect ko yung ano lang eh. Turon sa kalito. We're back home. We're gonna try Isla Turon. We have ube and what's the other one? Belgian chocolate. Janet Jackson siya. Uy, wow! Look! Shrimp yan, shrimp. Uy, wow! May cheese! Good morning, guys. It's day 5 in Siargao and we're on our way to our land tour, but it's raining so heavy, as in so heavy. We're going to Maasin River first, and then hindi ko alam saan pa kami pupunta, but yeah, let's go.
Okay. Kaya kita sa picture yung
Wala kaming camera kasi nag-rain.
Go away.
Bumili kami ng hot cake. Ay! Hot cake ko! Hot cake ko!
Diyan ka banget.
Ayaw kanya-kanya pa yun. Mamamin kayo.
Wala siyang lasa, guys. Wala siyang lasa, babes. Ito yung kinakagat, tas nawala nung tropa ko. Fight kami to.
Tropa mo ano? Kaya kayo dali. So guys, we're here in Sugba Lagoon. And magre-rent tayo ng kayak. Kayak na kayo. Hindi ako takip mo.
We are now here in Mapupungko Rock Pool. It's 2:15 and I'm having mango shake.
Tadlow ta.
Hindi siya masarap.
Chicken sa maliit na bato. Yun ang magpupungkurak ko. Yung tawag namin yun dito sa Bisaya, magpupungkur.
Pero yung sa pinaka mismong rock pool,
Malalim.
malalim talaga siya.
Pero may life naman.
May life vest.
May life vest din, pero magbabayad kayo ng ano, magre-renta kayo. Pero pwede rin naman hindi kayo mag-renta kung gusto nyo.
Malunod na lang kami.
Doon na lang kayo sa ano, sa liit na pool, sa pambata.
Ay, may pambata. Perfect. Kuya, baby naman siya. Baby Nina. Joke lang. We're here in Magpupungko Rock Pool. Thank you. Let's go, Abol.
Sarap. Sarap yan.
Again, sigawan.
Hey everyone, so we're here in the resort. Actually, nakabalik kami mga 5:30 and then naligo kami, nag-ayos, and it's currently 7:55 and we're about to go out to eat dinner and gusto daw magpatato ni Kuya and we have to buy some anik-anik, mga pasalubong, mga keychains, mga kung anes-anes. And we're all wearing white today since we're gonna go out for dinner since it's our last night here in Siargao. So we're here in Ink Zone and guess what?
First tattoo.
Nakaka-addict daw yung ano ng anong feeling? Masakit? After 5 minutes.
Pinagpapawisan siya. Wala pang kalahati.
Ay, wala pa sa kalahati, babe.
Nagpapawisan.
So, level 1, nag-ano na po siya, wet flower.
Wala pang kalahati.
Tapos tubig na po yung next. Totoo, masakit?
Isa pa! Feeling is Grabe di pa. Grabe di pawis na.
Kuya, normal yon. May mga first time magpatato, ganun talaga.
Narutumba pa nga eh.
So guys, vlog take over! Nag-withdraw sila ng money, kaya wala ng money, kaya magagastos. Magagastos sila, guys.
Fireball! Guys, ano yung like and
Bye!